So another interfacing experiment which is demonstrate the use of an external interrupts to the toggle on LED on off. So it is another interfacing experiment. What is the meaning for this experiment is LED is turn on unless then when the interrupt is coming, then LED is turn off. Without interrupt, LED is continuously turn on. So here you can use the same process. Include LPC 21xx.h means you can include the libraries in the header file of low power consumption. So wide ENTIO integer wide external integer 0, then these are the interrupt request. IRQ, you can use the interrupt request and LED is to be turned up. These are the declaration in the declaration blocks. Unsigned characters, integer flag 00 and flag 0 into 00. These are the declaration for the interrupts. Integer wide main, first you can select the pin number 16 for general purpose input and output. Pin select 2 is you can declare 0 into reset, that is all the values of 0 0 0 0 0 0. Afterwards you can select input output 1 pin 0 into 0 0 0. Initialize the external interrupt EINTO. Initialize the external interrupt. While you start the loop, check interrupt occurs or not. If interrupt flag is equal to 0 into FF, you can declare in the particular memory locations. If interrupt flag is equal to, you can declare 0 into 0 0. If interrupt flag is equal to 0, then when flag is 0 into 0 0, then on the LED, then input output 1 set 0 into 2 0 0 0. So flag you can convert 0 into FF. Else when the flag is turned LED 0 into FF, the LED input output 1 cleared and make it 0 into 2 0 0 0. Flag is equal to 0 into 0 0. All the closed loop values, then wide input interrupt to the initialize the interrupt wide, then begin in input output 1 directives. You will provide the directions to the processor 0 into 0 2 0 0 0 in pin number 25 for LED indication. Pin select 1 is equal to 0 into 0 0 3. Set up pin 16 to alternate. Function interrupt input external interrupt is equal to 0. External mode you can select that 0 into 0 1. Trigger and active low edge falling edges. Whenever the interrupt occurs, then LED is turned off. External 0 into 0 0, then external address for unsigned long integer extension. First assign the external interrupt to ISR functions VICS to 0 into 2014. Then external interrupt to 0 interrupt the priority is you can select 0. Then VIC interrupt enable is 0 0 0 4 0 0. Enable the external interrupt to interrupts. Wide external interrupt, then whenever there is a low level of external interrupt, to extract 0 into 0 1, clear the interrupts and set the integer flag 0 into FF. VICA and ECT address you can declare at 0 acknowledgement and start the interrupt. So in this way LED turn on and off, we are writing this simplified code in C language. Today we will give the demonstration about the external interrupt toggle on and off of LED. So digital code, yesterday I explained about all these coding techniques. Now we are going to execute this program, and how you will, before that how we will connect these hardware part to the particular microcontroller. Let us you observe that you connect the first power supply to 5 volts, then that power supply port, it is there available here, just you can connect it. Afterwards you have to connect the communication channel that is communicated through the CPU of the computer. Next what we will do, after check all the hardware parts are connected or not. After completion of hardware connections, just we are going to execute the program in this way. First you can start the flash magic. Double click, flash magic will be open. Then you select browse and select the interrupt toggle LED on and off programs and open, and dump all the codes, dump the codes in the embedded system. Afterwards, if you execute the program of this experiment, first you press the interrupt. Once you press the interrupt, then a program will be started. Program is starting by pressing the interrupt, then program is turn on. Then you observe that once again you press, then program will be turn off, because it is based on the interrupt controller. LED on and off, which is related to press the interrupt. Whenever the interrupt is occur, the program will be start. Whenever the interrupt will off, then program will be stop. In this process, it is executing and you observe the LED on and off. This process is continuous. On and off means program is stopped. Then we press once again, program is turn on. In this way, we can observe the result with the help of ARM LP748 microcontroller board. So following are the hardwares we are connected as shown in the figure.